Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw ETF proceeds with Charles Schwab, beginner guide step by step clearly. First, log in to your Charles Schwab account. Navigate to the Accounts tab on the main menu. Select the Balances option from the drop-down. Locate the ETF from which you wish to withdraw proceeds. Click on the ETF to view its details. On the ETF detail page, find the Sell option. Enter the number of shares you want to sell. Review the estimated proceeds from the sale. Confirm the order type, specifying whether it's a market order or limit order. Select the Preview Order button to review your transaction. Ensure all details are correct before proceeding. Click on the Submit Order button to execute the sale. Wait for the sale to be processed, which may take a few moments. Once the sale is complete, navigate back to the Accounts tab. Check your cash balance to confirm the ETF proceeds have been added. Now, select the Transfer option from the main menu. Choose Transfer Money. Select the account from which you wish to withdraw funds. Specify your destination account, such as a bank account. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Review the transfer details carefully. Click on the Continue button to proceed. Confirm the transfer by clicking Submit. You will receive a confirmation message once the transfer is complete. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation step. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.